Hello everyone, welcome to Summer Maths class. Today I am going to discuss transformed equations. Already I discussed concept. Now see the problems. The equation formed by increasing each root of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by 1 is 2x square 8x plus 2 equal to 0. Then, so here we need to find ABC relation. So let alpha comma beta are roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that, each root is increasing by 1. That means alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 are roots of the equation 2x square plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is transformed equation whose roots are increased by 1. Now the relation we need, ABC relation. In first quadratic equation, find sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus b by a. Product of the roots c by a. Okay, same like that. Find in second quadratic equation sum of the roots. Sum of the how much, students? Tell me. Minus 8 by 2. Alpha plus beta plus 2, that is equal to minus 4. What is alpha plus beta value? Minus b by a. Plus 2 send right hand side, we get minus 6. In this relation, getting b is equal to 6a. See the options, there is no such issue. Now go to product of the roots. Alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. What is the answer? C by 2 by 2. There is 1. Now multiply here alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1, that is equal to 1. What is alpha beta? C by a. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a plus 1 cancel. That means right hand side comes 0. Take LCM. C minus b divided by a is equal to 0. A send right hand side. Here it overall C is equal to b. Here two types of relation we got. Out of those, observe that which is that b is equal to 6a, c is equal to b. So that means overall b is equal to c is correct answer. Or here we write c is equal to b and b is equal to 6a. In this case, c is equal to 6a. This is also one more relation. So overall we got 3 relations. Out of these 3 relations, only one is there, that is b is equal to c. That is the correct answer. If the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is not altered when each of the coefficient is increased the same quantity, then x square plus x plus 1 is equal to. Here one quadratic equation is there. x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now the given each coefficient is increased by same quantity. So that there is no difference between first quadratic equation, transformed equation. Coefficients means what? ABC only. Now the transformed equation is a plus k into x square plus b plus k into x plus c plus k is equal to 0. What is k? K is a fixed constant. K is constant. Okay. Now these two equations representing same. Two equations represents same. So how to do? The ratio of the coefficients are equal. That means I am going to write a plus k divided by a is equal to b plus k divided by b, c plus k divided by c. Split here, we get 1 plus k by a, that is equal to 1 plus k by b. How we got 1? A by a1, b by b1, c by c1 plus is equal to plus k by c. See here, each term is having 1. I know that because 3 terms are equal or not. That's why I'm going to remove k by b, k by c. And see that each term having k, remove that. 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. Write the reciprocal. A is equal to b is equal to c. These three values are equal. Now what about quadratic expression? What is quadratic equation here? X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now in place of b and c, substitute a, x square x plus a is equal to 0. A take common and send to right hand side. Then what about the remaining equation? Okay, we get x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. What they are asking here? What about square plus x plus 1 is equal to that value? How much? 0. Second option correct. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation, alpha and beta are roots of the equation. That means find the relation between roots and coefficient. Sum of the roots. How much? Minus b by a. Product of the roots. C by a. Okay, this is one condition. See that one. One more quadratic equation given, that is px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, has roots. Then find the r value. So in this case, first find sum of the roots. 1 minus alpha divided by alpha plus 1 minus beta divided by beta. See the quadratic equation, that is minus q by r, minus q by p. Next, product of roots. 1 minus alpha by alpha into 1 minus beta divided by beta. That is equal to how much? R by P. Okay. Now I am going to solve product of the roots only. Here 1 minus alpha minus beta plus alpha beta divided by alpha beta. That is equal to R divided by P. Numerator 1 minus alpha minus beta. Take minus common. Remaining alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta minus B by A. Okay. Plus alpha B C by A divided by denominator. So alpha beta is a right C by R divided by P. Okay. Now see the numerator, take the LCM and denominator LCM A is there, it is going to cancel. Then get numerator A plus B plus C divided by C equal to R P. See the options, the terms are ABC, but here P extra is there. Here P extra is there. We need to eliminate. How to eliminate? That is the important. Now go to sum of the roots. Take the LCM. Alpha beta. Here we get beta minus alpha beta plus alpha minus alpha beta. That is equal to minus Q by P. Okay. Now, numerator that alpha plus beta is a write that minus B by A. Minus alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta value C by A divided by C by A. That is equal to minus Q by P. Left hand numerator minus, take minus common, and right side minus is going to cancel. Both numerator and denominator take LCM. The LCM is going to cancel. B plus 2C divided by C, that is equal to Q by P. Then how to eliminate PQ? See the options. There is no PQ values. Okay. Alpha comma beta are roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, transformed equation roots. Transformed equation roots. What are they? One is 1 minus alpha. Another one is 1 minus beta by beta. Original equation roots, take x, are x. Transformed equation roots, take y, because we need different now. If you are taken both are x, we get confusing, that's why. Original equations, x. Transformed equation means y. Now observe here, y is equal to 1 minus alpha divided by alpha. Alpha means what? X only now. 1 minus x by x. Here we need to subtract x. How to separate? Take a cross multiplication. Y is equal to 1 minus x. Then minus x and right left hand side, you will get y into, sorry, X common. X into y plus 1 is equal to, then what is x? X is equal to 1 by y plus 1. X values means original equation. This is substitute in equation 1. This thing has 1. Substitute here a into 1 by y plus 1 whole square plus b into 1 by y plus 1 plus c is equal to 0. Now this is, take LCM, you will get a plus b2 y plus 1 plus c into y plus 1 whole square. Students, expand this, we get y terms, y square terms like that. Now a by plus b plus cy square, y plus 1 whole square expand, 2cy plus c is equal to 0. Write in particular order, cy square plus y, observe that b plus 2c into y plus constant terms a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is transformed equation, T equation, but already given transformed equation. What is that? Py square plus qy plus r is equal to 0. Actually, px square plus qx plus r equal to 0 given, but I taken transformed equation means in terms of y or not. By comparing these two, then tell me what is r value? R value a plus b plus c. Similarly, we can find p also, is c. And what is q? Q is equal to b plus 2c. But they are asking only r value, a plus b plus c. Which option, students? Second option. Understood? Right. Please copy this. Inequality. Ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. These are called quadratic inequalities. Quadratic inequalities. Okay. Now, see the first question. X less than 5, then sign of expression 2x plus 7 minus x square is positive, negative, non-negative, cannot say. Okay. How to find 2x plus 7 minus 5 square given? That is take as quadratic expression f of x, and see that x square coefficient is negative. Take negative common. We get like this, 5x square minus 2x minus 7. Okay. Now 5x square minus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. I am taken equal to 0. Split into factors. What are the factors? Minus 7x plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Is it correct? 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now, here x common, we get 5x minus 7 plus 1, 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Overall, observe that x plus 1 and 5x minus 7. Then what are the x values? One is minus 1. Another one is 7 by 5. These are the x values. Now, draw the one line. This is minus 1. This is 0. 7 by 5 means this less than 3. This is 5. But by observing that 7, 5 and minus 1, using wavy curve method. So I'm going to write the signs positive, negative, positive. In less than 5, x less than, observe that the expression is positive or negative. We can't say exactly. Positive is there, negative is there, positive is there. Now, if x less than 5, the given expression, positive or negative, f of x, either positive, we can't say exactly. F of x is positive or negative. We can't say exactly. F of x is greater than 0 or less than 0. We can't say exactly. That is the answer. We can't say. Fourth option. If x is real, 5x square plus x greater than 3x square plus 10x plus 7. And right hand side terms and left hand side, what you will get? 5x square minus 3x, 2x square, 2x minus 10x, minus 8x, 9 minus 7, 2, greater than 0. Okay. Now to take common, x square minus 4x plus 1 greater than 0. So here the given expression is positive. And what is x? Here there is no factors. Use formula method. Use formula. Min b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 4 plus or minus root 12, 2 root 3 divided by 2. Here, finally, we are getting 2 plus or minus root 3. Okay? Now, the given expression, we can write like this. F of x is equal to x minus 2 minus root 3